So here guys, this is my 55 Chevy Bel Air 2-door hardtop that's for sale. And has a 265 V8 in the vehicle, power glide transmission, new battery, oil change and transmission service was done, tighten up the belt and the generator. The car needs a restoration. We do have the bubbling on the front fenders. The grille does have rust. The car basically runs and drives. There is some, patina and rust and peeling of the paint, but it is a 70-year-old car. The car was restored about 35 years ago. There's some bubbling there. The paint is fading here. The clear coat came off. It's not a perfect car, but I'm not asking perfect money for the vehicle. Some rust bubbles here, some surface here, around the window, some surface rust and peeling of the paint. The door skin needs to be replaced, or the door. What happened was the water collected into here, came down, and was parked by a sprinkler head. There's the interior. Does need a headliner and a Bose. Looks a pretty cool driver. The trunk is solid. I forgot the key at the house. I do have pictures of it. There was some rust back here that was fixed years ago. There is some Bondo on the car, but like I said, it's not a perfect car. All the windows do roll up and down, nice. Good window works well too. And the rear seat. Turn the seat here. The window does go down nice too. Car needs a restoration. It's a great foundation for restoration. Over the headlights were done over. As you can see, hood is good. It's not a perfect car, but it does, like I said, need a restoration. I'll roll this window down here. There's a mirror, and the mirror was cracked. And this window was cracked because they kicked the soccer ball against the window. They broke the window, and they broke the mirror glass. There's the VIN number right there. And the car is registered in my name. I do have a transferable registration. In New York State, we do not have a title for a 1955 car. What we have is a transferable registration as proof of ownership. There's the Cal tag. Yes, you check it out. And then what I'll do, I'll start it right up. What I'll do is show you underneath the car too before I do that. So go into the car here. Frame is good, guys. Front cross member is good. Go to the back of the car. Rear bump is bubbling over here. I did spray this silver. I mean, I really don't care that the car has its rust, but I know some people do. But here's underneath the car. the rear. You see the trunk pin is pretty good, and there is some rusting there. Like I said, it's not a perfect car. This is a rust underneath, where the bumper bolts up. And then trunk pin is pretty good, as you can see. There's the welt to the spare tire. Okay, there's the frame, as you can see. I'll go on the side of the car now. There's the door, underneath the door. Either hang a new door or put this door skin. Here's the frame. These cross members here, well, mounts are rusted, but then the ones over here are pretty good. Floors are pretty good. Underneath the car is pretty solid. I seen a hole in the floor right here. I spotted it the other day. Maybe it was a stick car, somebody changed it. But, frame is really good. But as you can see, the floors are good. Frame is good. And there's the rockers. On the side now, passenger side. Floors are good here. You can see this is rusted there. It's not a $25,000 car, guys. And you can see the floors are good. Alright, and the mounts are good. Rockers are pretty good here. Now I'm going to start it up for you guys. Under here you can see there's some fill in here. About 35 years ago there was a restoration. So give it a run. There you go. Car runs great, guys. Just started right up. Haven't did a tune-up yet. Planning on doing it, but I just don't have the time to get to it. Runs good. Could use a tune-up, I guess. Or maybe just the carburetor to be clean. Did spray carburetor cleaner down with the carburetor. It runs about 150. I'm driving around town. Runs really good. A little gas in. And there it is, guys. 55 Chevy Bel Air 2-door hardtop. Dual exhaust. Sounds good. It's not perfect. I'm not asking perfect money. If you're interested in the vehicle, please call me at 631-620-1046. Again, 631-620-1046. My name is Jerry. Car's located out in Yaphank, New York. Alright guys, have a good day. Nice project here for somebody or a nice driver. A little love and attention. Drives nice at 50 miles an hour down the road, brings it to some car shows. I'm always getting a thumbs up. See you later.